The world's nations depict the goddess with many different names, faces, and characteristics. But these are really all part of the same potent lady. As with a crystal that has distinct facets and angles, what one sees depends much on where one stands. The goddess is changeless and eternal. Her magic works outside of time and outside human convention. Greetings and welcome back to Inspired Messages. I am Goddess Nini, and today, October 4th, we honor the divine feminine Goddess Hybla. Goddess Hybla is also known as Hybla. Her origin is Sicily, Italy. Hybla is an indigenous Sicilian spirit, a primordial goddess of Siculi, the people for whom Sicily is named. This Sicilian goddess presides over earth and nature, tending to all its needs. She also gave birth to humanity and inspires greater earth awareness within us. She is the goddess of abundance and fertility, associated with mud volcanoes and mineral springs. Earthquakes and volcanoes are understood to indicate her Earth's fertility, which are her contractions and labor pains. Hybla's shrines were centers of divination and dream interpretation. Her priests were considered especially skilled in dream interpretation. Sicilian women mourning societies were banned by early Christians and are believed to have derived from Hybla's rites. Greek colonists identified Hybla with Hera. The Sicilian city of Ragusa was once called Hybla Herae. Lower Ragusa is still known as Ragusa Hybla. Hybla's image is often veiled and appears on many Sicilian coins. Hybla's themes are earth, ecology, nature, and animals. Her symbols are all natural objects. Her sacred plant is time, and her sacred creature is the bee. And we all know that the bee is associated with abundance. There are various sacred sites in Sicily, Italy, that are associated or even named after Hybla. Hybla Major, Hybla Minor, Hybla Gereatis on the slopes of Mount Etna, and Hybla Herae or Haraya, if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. Hybla's temple on Mount Etna reputedly contained a portal to the underworld. The Hyblaean mountains of southern Sicily are named in her honor. Offerings for Goddess Hybla are honey, thermal mud, and mineral water. To honor Goddess Hybla's spirit today, say an affirmation for Earth to invoke Hybla's nurturing energy with words such as these. Earth Mother, look upon your child. Look upon the plants, restore the earth's greenery. Look upon the animals and protect them from harm. Look upon the waters and purify each drop. Look upon the winds and cleanse the air. Take the world gently in your caring arms and love it back into wholeness once more. Another thing you can do to honor or to invoke Goddess Hybla's energy for today is to tuck a flower petal or leaf in your pocket or shoe to keep Hybla's earth awareness close by. If you have pets, bless them today. Give them special foods and pamper them with extra love. And remember, life is a network, and showing kindness to one strand extends that energy outward to the web. Honoring the divine feminine, Goddess Hybla. Thank you for listening, and until next time, one love.